Alright, let's know guys if you can see this. Okay, you can see I'm actually taking trades on my tab. Okay, so these trades that I took on my tab, so if you guys can see it, the camera should show. Okay, so actually on good. Okay, if you look here, you can see we have actually been swinging. I've been on swing trade on gold for a longer time. So you can see uh, all the whole profit we've made on this very asset. You can also see. I don't know if you guys can see it. So you can see about that is about $7,000. Yeah, right now we have made. I don't know if you guys can see it. You can see profits that are running. So all these are trades that I've actually took on this my tab. Okay, they are trades I took on my tab. So as you can see, the account that has been growing about $2,000, and I'm turning it to about the $10,000 account. So we already had um, okay, we already had about the profit now is looking at about $10,000. Of course, you guys know. I told you guys that I'm running an investor account. If you can remember, which I'm growing that account to about $10,000. So I think the target is already met as well. So you can see, guys. So this is how we actually work on swing trading. We hold trades for long. That enable us, that makes us massive money in the market. So you can see I'm also holding many trades which time will not permit us me to share on this video. So that is how we do it, guys. So there's nothing more, nothing else. So nothing big deal, no big deal about this. So just understand your strategy, know how you trade, know the market, and know what you need to do in the market, and follow your principle and rule, and you're good to go, guys. Peace out, guys.